Hello everyone, my name is Siddhartha. I am 8 years old. I'm going to Savage Kids. This is A. I'm going to talk about farm animals. Farm animals. Do you know the what are farm animals? Farm animals is bull and farm. This is a cow. Cow gives us milk. This is a goat. Goat gives us milk. This is a sheep. Sheep gives us wool. This is a horse. Horse rides funny. This is a hen. Hen gives us egg. This is a donkey. Donkey has full memory. This is a good memory. This is a camel. Camel is called sheep of the desert. Thank you.